What's up everyone, it's Colin. Welcome to the channel, and today we're going to break down one of the most iconic, I would say sport-oriented frames in existence. These are the Flak 2.0s. Let's break it down. The Oakley Flak 2.0, designed for athletes who demand best in both performance and protection. Whether you're a cyclist, runner, or hiker, these sunglasses are made to keep up with the most intense activities. First off, let's start with the frame. The Flak 2.0 features Oakley's signature all-matter material, which is lightweight, flexible, and built to last. One of the most cool features about the Flak 2.0 is its rimless design, meaning it doesn't have the frame on the bottom. The lens just kind of hangs off. This makes the Flak 2.0 even more light, and it really fits that functional sport design. This also decreases the weight just a little bit on these frames, which adds to not only the sporty look, but its lightweight design. Now for comfort, Oakley added in their Botanium nose grips, which is a fancy way of saying nose pads that are lightweight, they feel good, and they get grippier as you sweat. They also have the same material made out of their ear socks, which is really comfortable. I've worn these on many runs, and you don't even feel like they're on your face. And we gotta talk about Oakley's Prizm technology. A lot that sport Oakley's Prizm technology say that it's a game changer. And these lenses are designed to enhance color and contrast, allowing you to see more detail in your surroundings. Whether you're in bright sunlight or shady trails, your vision stays sharp and focused. And if you need even more versatility, the Flak 2.0 supports Oakley's interchangeable lens system. You can easily swap out lenses for different environments. Ideal for multi-sport athletes or anyone who's on the go. And a shameless plug here. If your lenses get scratched or even need an upgrade, Fuse Lenses offers custom replacement lenses for the Flak 2.0 and other popular sunglasses. And if you want something similar to Oakley's Prizm technology, we have our own version of that called AMP. Same technology, and we say it's even better. Whether you're hitting the trails or competing in your favorite sport, the Oakley Flak 2.0 delivers the performance, clarity, and protection you need to stay ahead of the game. And being someone that's worn these myself multiple times out on runs, being out and about, I can confidently say these are one of the best frames I have ever worn. And being one of Oakley's top sellers, it completely makes sense to me. With its rugged durability, lightweight frames, and comfortable fit, the Oakley Flak 2.0 is ready to handle whatever you throw at it. Now, whether you already own a pair yourself or you're looking to get a pair, let me know in the comment section down below what you think of these frames. And as always, thank you for watching.